big, eh?
Big.
Yeah. Yeah. Damon's telling stories.
Is that how mean your mommy is? That mean?
Did she pinch you?
Ow.
She did when you went
Ow.
out? Yeah? She pinched you and you went out? Who's laughing at me?
Don't
Are
believe
you
a word
laughing
of
at me,
it.
Kimmy? You're laughing at me, Kimmy.
I can't
I don't want to
hear
hear
you.
it.
I can't hear you. Really?
Yeah, I agree.
Excuse me.
I try not to listen to her,
Shut
but but she just won't stop. Right? Right, Damon? Hi.
Yeah? All done. I see you. Peek.
I don't want to hear it.
I see
I
you.
don't want to
Peek.
hear it.
Damon, I see you. Peek. Peek boo. Are you? Hello? Damon, hello? Knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, knock. Who's there?
Were you guys there when I said that knock knock joke to Kaylin last week?
No, I don't.
What knock knock joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Stanley.
Stanley who?
Oh, so you are a Leafs fan, huh?
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay.
Take your pills.
Yes, I'm going to.
Oh, okay.